LG has recently introduced a cutting-edge monitor developed specifically for creative professionals, the LG 27BQ85U-W. This impressive 27-inch display combines exceptional color accuracy, high-resolution 4K visuals, and advanced calibration features to deliver an outstanding visual experience for graphic designers, photographers, and other creative individuals. One of the standout features of the LG is its wide color coverage. This monitor supports a wide color gamut, enabling it to reproduce a vast range of vibrant and lifelike colors. This is especially important for professionals working with color-sensitive tasks, such as photo editing, graphic appearance, or video production. With its accurate color representation, the LG ensures that your creative work is displayed with precision and fidelity. The LG monitor not only delivers exceptional visual performance, but also offers a sleek and practical appearance that enhances its versatility. With dimensions of 24.1 by 18.9 by 8.2 inches and weighing 11.9 pounds, this monitor is compact and lightweight, making it easy to fit into various setups and environments. In addition to its compact size, the LG incorporates practical features that enhance its usability. When it comes to audio, this monitor is equipped with two built-in speakers, each boasting a power output of 5 watts. While these speakers may not rival dedicated audio systems, they deliver decent sound quality and eliminate the need for external speakers, providing convenience and saving desk space. The LG 27BQ85U-W monitor is developed to impress with its expansive 27-inch screen size and stunning 4K UHD resolution of 3840 by 2160. One of the standout features is its Nano IPS panel technology. This advanced display technology enhances color reproduction, allowing for more accurate and vibrant colors. Additionally, the wide viewing angles provided by the Nano IPS panel ensure consistent image quality, even when viewed from different perspectives. With a brightness rating of 350 nits and a contrast ratio of 1000 by 1, the LG delivers vivid and lifelike images. While the LG is not specifically designed as a gaming monitor, it still offers decent gaming performance. The 5 milliseconds response time helps reduce motion blur, providing smoother and more fluid visuals during fast-paced gaming sessions. The 60 Hz refresh rate ensures a sufficient level of responsiveness for casual gaming. However, for competitive gaming or fast-action gameplay, monitors with higher refresh rates may be more suitable. When it comes to connectivity, the LG offers a variety of options to suit your needs. It includes 2 HDMI ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices such as gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, or streaming devices simultaneously. The DisplayPort offers a versatile connection for high-quality video and audio transmission. The USB Type-C port serves multiple purposes, providing both video and data connectivity, and it can even function as a charging port for compatible devices. Additionally, the monitor features USB Type-C output, which offers additional connectivity options for peripherals and accessories. If you're in the United States and looking to purchase the LG 27BQ85U-W 27-inch 4K IPS monitor, you'll be pleased to know that it is available for purchase at a retail price of $599. This price may vary slightly depending on the retailer, but it serves as a general indication of the monitor's cost. To make your purchase, you can visit the official LG website, lg.com, where you'll find the LG monitor listed for sale. LG's website provides a convenient and reliable platform to explore the product specifications, features, and make your purchase with ease. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.